Have you ever found yourself trying to delete an app from your iPhone, but simply couldn't find the delete option? If the answer is yes, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to easily fix the app deletion problem on your iPhone and regain full control over your device. I'll explain every step clearly and simply, so it will be easy for you to follow and apply them right away. Let's get started. At the very beginning, I'll try to remove the TikTok Studio app from my phone because I no longer need it. So I'll tap and hold on the app, a menu will pop up with several options, and I'll select Remove App. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll see that I only have the option to remove the app from the home screen, and if I tap on that, the app will disappear, but it won't be fully deleted from the phone. Let's fix that problem. So now open your settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down a little until you see the screen time option. Tap on it. Now in this section, scroll down again and find Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap on it. In this part, you'll see a bunch of options. Find the one called iTunes and App Store Purchases and tap on it. Then tap on Deleting Apps. As you can see, on my phone this is set to Don't Allow, which means deleting apps is currently disabled on this iPhone. That's why when I tried to remove the app earlier, I only saw the option to remove it from the home screen, but not to delete it. If it's set the same way on your device, simply tap on Allow to enable app deletion. And that's it. Now let's check if everything works properly. Let's go back to the home screen and find the app we want to delete. So, just tap and hold the app you want to remove. From the menu, select Remove App. Now, in the pop-up window, you'll see that along with the option to remove it from the home screen, there is now also the Delete App option. Tap on it, confirm the deletion, and the app will be completely removed from your iPhone. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.